Look, I was lazy. Just put this on like over my jeans. Welcome to today's BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is the base box for BOXYCHARM, so it's their smallest subscription, $25 a month. You get 4 to 5, more like 5 full-size products every single month. This one, I have to say, is probably my second favorite. They now have a premium subscription, which is only $10 a month more, but you get 6 full-size products, I think. 6 to 7, I think is what they say. I'm not positive on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I feel like in those boxes, you really get a little bit more of a step up almost for products. Like they get like Natasha Denona and like stuff like that. I am now part of that subscription. I'm so excited. They've had a wait list for a very long time. I was so excited when I got that email. So I now have both the base box and the premium. Premium hasn't arrived yet. They've been arriving a little later than normal this month for some reason. That's okay. We'll just have another unboxing on that one. I'm just too excited. We need to open this. I'll post a link down below if you want to sign up for BOXYCHARM. I absolutely love it. I think I like this subscription more than FabFitFun, probably because it's just like more frequent. I don't know. I just really have so much fun with this. I should just go. Ow! Oh, bad idea. Oh my goodness. My nails are way too long. I thought I could deal with them being this long, but I have snagged them on everything possible that I could snag them on the last couple days, and I have multiple fingers that have been throbbing for days because of that. Okay, well, we're getting the box open at least. I have scissors literally over there. That was so lazy. Okay, let's just open this. I'm so pumped. I do watch and look for all of the spoilers. I am not someone that's very good with surprises, so we're just gonna open it. I'll show you guys, but I'm not gonna look. Can you see? Okay, yes. It says, "Hello, Charmer." Oh my gosh, look how much I destroyed it. So, there's the inside. You guys can see. I'm gonna close it back. I really want it to be a surprise this time, so I'm just gonna take the card. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the rose. Oh, those aren't roses. They're just ribbons, but that is gorgeous. Oh, probably for Valentine's. All right, we're just gonna do one product at a time this time. This feels like either a mascara or a lipstick. What is this? It's in the shade Wifey. That's so cute. I'm a wife. This is the, how do you even say this? Ovine? That's a Q. Okay, Q-V-E-E-N. Quveen. Interesting. I love lipsticks. One of my like 2020 goals was to wear lipstick more often, and I have not been doing that great at it, to be honest. But I've been trying to. This is such a pretty shade. That is so pretty. That would go so good. Let's put this on instead. My lips are kind of dry today though, so it could be a little bit of a problem because usually liquid lipsticks are a little bit more drying. I don't actually think that I have a shade that's quite this color. That looks gorgeous with my eyes today. I have basically mostly all of Tati Beauty on today. I also used like a unicorn palette from Jolie Beauty. They're a UK brand, but they are amazing. Goes so pretty with the like more purpley. I don't remember what color that shade is. For some reason, I am just so completely spacing on the name. Let's just look really quick. Oh, Poet. This shade right here, the shade Poet, looks gorgeous with this lip color. I'm so excited about this. This is so much fun. It actually got here a lot earlier today, but I kind of postponed filming this video because I didn't want the magic to be gone. You know, it's like Christmas morning. You're so excited for it, but then when it finally gets there, you just want to, I don't know if this is with you, but I just want to open my gifts really slow and like take my time because I don't want the magic of the day to be gone. Okay, next. What? Oh my gosh, yes. I am so thankful for these. These are brushes. And these things, I am keeping these and I love to reuse these type of things for when I travel. Whoa, it's like, what does it say what this one's for? This is from Alamar. It's a bronzer brush? Interesting. It's like textured. Did you see that texture? That is so interesting. That's only one of them. We get 3? This is a brightening brush. Brightening brush. I would maybe even use this like for concealer. I feel like that would be really good under the eyes. I don't know. No complaints. My like bra strap was pulling on my shoulder. Do you guys ever have that happen? It was just like a little bit too tight, and so I was like feeling the weight on my shoulder. Let's see what this one is. Complexion brush. This would be really pretty just for, I don't know, everywhere. I was just saying, I mean, I don't really need more brushes, but when you're obsessed with makeup, it's like, I need everything. Do you understand? This is like, I cannot be happier about this. And honestly, you guys, I'm really loving like keeping this hidden and closed and just reaching in and grabbing one thing at a time. It's making everything just like all that much more exciting. Next. Ooh, what could this be? Oh, mascara. Sweet. I really, really needed a new mascara. I almost bought one at the grand opening at Ulta, but I ended up not because I was like, well, maybe there might be one coming in BOXYCHARM. And sure enough, this is the Pretty Vulgar mascara. I'm just finishing up editing and I realized something. I went and checked BOXYCHARM's website to pull stock photos for each product, and I realized 2 of the items I got are actually premium box items. I couldn't believe it. So the Pretty Vulgar mascara and also the, I think it's supposed to be like Queen or something, the lipstick, the liquid lipstick we got, those are both BOXYCHARM premium items. So I'm excited, but at the same time slightly worried because I don't want to get repeat items in the premium box, you know? We aren't going to get the premium box until later today. So stay tuned for the premium box video and I'll let you guys know if there's any repeat items. But isn't that weird? I'm really shocked by that. It's extreme volume. Sweets, I'm all for volume. I actually like to double up my mascara, so I use a lengthening one first and then I do volume on top of that. That is my favorite type of wand. It's like big and fluffy, but it has a little bit of like a swoop, like an hourglass almost, but not super dramatic. Sweet. I'm so excited to try this. We're gonna have to do like a BOXYCHARM try-on and just use all of this stuff. I mean, we already tried on the lips, which I'm loving this color. So gorgeous. Okay, so that's only, I don't want this to be over. I'm so excited that we still have the premium box coming because I don't want this to be over with. What could this be? Oh, this is the thing I chose. You get to choose one thing in your subscription. So I decided to choose this one. I've been all about serums lately. I got some from Drunk Elephant. I've gotten a couple in BOXYCHARM already. I actually bought a couple on Amazon. Amazon has this amazing vitamin C serum that's super inexpensive, but it works so good. I'll link it down below if you guys want to go look at it because it's been a game changer for me. My skin has been looking so much better since I've been using serums, and so when I saw this was one of the choices, this is the Kate Somerville Biomimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm Serum. I don't know exactly what this is supposed to do. Refresh and renew the skin. I don't know. I have probably 5 or 6 different serums that I alternate. One of them's just straight up a hyaluronic acid serum, and that one I like to actually mix with some of my other ones. If you don't know, hyaluronic acid is just the bee's knees. It's the best thing for basically all skin types. Really stoked to get this. Plus, I kind of like to choose the expensive items. Unless it's something that I really, really want, but if I don't know any of the products, I'm like, well, I like want the most for my money, basically. Oh, weird. That smells really interesting. Like earthy. I can't quite place my finger on what exactly that smells like. Interesting. That's the best I can come up with. It's interesting. The last item. What could this be? Yes! Oh my gosh! Yes! This is fantastic! I could not ask for a better box. Like, genuinely. I know a lot of other people got the iconic London eyeshadow palette, and I was excited about that one. I thought it'd be fun to try, but I've been a little overwhelmed with eyeshadow palettes lately and kind of just wanting to dip into ones that I already have. So as much as I did really want it, I wanted other things, and I cannot say enough how just perfect this box is. This is everything I wanted. This is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I know a lot of people don't like coconuts in their skincare because it can be an irritant. Some people are allergic or their skin is just sensitive. I dropped the packaging on the floor. I don't have that reaction, so I'm especially excited for this. I hope that it works so good. We could put on a little bit right now even. I am definitely a lover of setting powders. Setting sprays too. I almost said setting sprays. I like those as well. But anything that's going to help my oils kind of be tamed, I am all about. about. Let's use one of our brushes. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so I have a little bit on the brush. Let's just, yes. Pretty, pretty. It's super, 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 super finely milled. Kind of reminds me of my Ultra HD loose powder that I love so much from Makeup Forever. That's kind of the vibes that it's giving me. I'll have to test this and see if it has flashback, because although that one from Makeup Forever is the best, most pore blurring powder ever, it does have flashback, so you don't want to use that like under the eyes. Gorgeous. It is working so good just to kind of blur the pores a little bit, soak up oil. I am here for it. This is the bee's knees, and Ciate is like a good brand. I have been nothing but impressed with their products so far. I'm so excited. Honestly, I'm even like just excited about these. I get excited about the simplest things. Even something like this, I'm like, yes, I can't wait to be able to use that. All right, let's see how much my box was worth today. I'm not good with math, so I wouldn't have been able to just quickly add up all that stuff. So we have a grand total of, oh my goodness, $196. Ugh, I cannot stress enough, you guys. BOXYCHARM is the bee's knees. So much fun. This brush is just so intriguing to me, how it's textured. I bet this would be really good for foundation, just really getting it in there. Interesting. I'm gonna try this tonight for sure. I haven't gotten any of their complexion products yet. I almost postponed doing my foundation until we opened the box and kind of saw what was inside, because a lot of people got the Becca foundation, or I think last month some people got concealer, so I was like, oh, maybe we might get that, so I was gonna do a try-on. Then I kind of changed my mind because I figured, hey, if we did get it, then we can just film a different video on it. But so far I haven't gotten any complexion products, which I think would be kind of exciting because it kind of forced you to try something new, which is another reason why I love this, because I wouldn't have gotten any of these products if it wasn't for BOXYCHARM. Didn't even know that they existed. So this is just so cool. I love that it throws you out of your comfort zone. I was kind of hoping to be thrown out of my comfort zone even more with a foundation, but that could come later. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just excited about every single one of these things. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe too if you haven't already. I would love that. You can join us back every month for BOXYCHARM's unboxing. We also will be unboxing the premium this month too, so I'm super excited about that. So I hope to see you back in a couple days. I hope you have a great rest of your evening. Mwah.